Another short video on the Arduino based watering system which I built to water my garden. It's in this plastic bin right now, and I'm going to elevate the bin, and I'm also going to attach the Arduino to the side of the bin, or rather the strip board, once all the electrical connections are done. So this is my first time showing the solenoid valves, which are, in this case there's only one in here right now, but that's this valve over here. That's attached to 24 volts DC. The Arduino is on 7.5 volts, and the relay module is on a separate 5 volt power supply. So I'll switch it on. And now you can see I added a little function that the soil moisture sensor can detect whether it's in the ground or not. And you can see this is the actual sensor which I'm using. I have it coated in polyurethane floor varnish to protect it from moisture, and I also bridged one side of this resistor to ground, which is a necessary thing to do because these sensors were all mass produced with a problem in the PCB. So you see it shows air, I touch it, it shows moisture, I let go, it shows air. Anyway, let's get on to watering. And you're going to hear the valve turn on when I water. And now water is flowing into my garden. I'm using this garden hose as sort of a manifold, and we're watering the tomatoes. And an eggplant and some peppers. There it is. This garden hose is what I'm using as a manifold in order to get to the takeoff valves that go to the drip tube. And I'll come back and film when it's ready to stop. And there you see it stopped. So basically that's it. At some point I am going to move it over to an ESP32, and I'm also going to add Wi-Fi capabilities to it.